Okay, this is my super cool fold-out pocket journal with tons of tags. So up here is a tag, bee tag from my bee collection. You can download that for free. Stamps, there's a little extra pocket up front here that you can put stuff in. Okay, this is a pull-out, and it has a backside for journaling. I'll leave that out. And then we have two tags here. Another tag here. Both of those are journaling spots. And this is actually a journaling one I'm going to journal in. And this is fun because look, you can see that go through there. And then it opens up again. And I have this tag, bee tag. Another one where I did some gessoing over here. And then there's baby tag over here. And then this is a spot with this. And then here's a secret one. That's my favorite right there. And then this opens up. And this has a tag here. And last but not least, let's get this all folded back up again. There's some on the back. This is a fun one. That's a two-sided tag. And then this is a tag and a rusty paper clip. Love this. And then there's a pocket back here in case I want to keep anything in there. So that is the Crazy Fold Over Tag book.